What's the meaning of abridgment? Abridgement. 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 An abridgment is a shortened version of a written work. It is created by removing some of the details or less important information from the original work. The purpose of an abridgment is to make the work more concise and easier to read. Abridgments are often used for textbooks, novels, and other long works. Here are some examples of abridgments. The Great Gatsby, abridged edition by F. Scott Fitzgerald. The Lord of the Rings, abridged edition by J.R.R. Tolkien. The Odyssey, abridged edition by Homer. Abridgments can be a great way to get the gist of a long work without having to read the whole thing. However, it is important to remember that an abridgment is not a substitute for the original work. If you want to get the full experience of a work, you should read the original.